play him. Put him on YouTube. Maybe something about grabbing.
All riding on eastbound freight train. Riding on eastbound freight train. My leg aches all the time. Oh, I get done walking down the line. Riding on eastbound freight train. My leg hurts all the time.
Sitting there dying. Did she hear it?
No, she's dead.
Yeah.
Riding on an eastbound freight train, my leg hurts all the time.
Yeah, I wonder how many comments you get.
I'm riding in this old boxcar,
Really?
and I've nearly lost my mind. Riding on an eastbound freight train, my leg hurts all the time. Sitting in this boxcar, I've nearly lost my mind. Riding on an eastbound freight train, legs hurting all the time. Nearly lost. Let's see.
I think you already lost your mind.
Riding on an eastbound freight train, leg hurts all the time. Riding in this old boxcar, I've nearly lost my mind. But I'm still riding on an eastbound freight train. My leg still hurts all the time. I ain't got a penny or a nickel, or not even a dime. Oh, but I'm riding on an eastbound freight train. Leg hurts all the time.